Hello dear subscribers, today I'll tell you how you can fix this problem. So here you can see the mobile data is turned off. Turn on mobile data or use Wi-Fi to access data. So how you can fix this error if you see it when you're using your Safari or other web browser and you just try to connect to internet. So first thing, just check your internet connection. So just go to the settings. In the settings you need to find Wi-Fi. If you use Wi-Fi, just try to turn it off, wait for a second and just turn on again. If you use cellular data, just try to turn on off and turn on again your cellular data. So another thing you can try to go to the general. In the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait for a second and just power on the phone again. So just simple restore your phone. And if it doesn't help you, if you still have this error, so you can also just try to update your phone. So just go to the general. In the general, just open software update, and if you see here available update, just tap on download and install and wait until it will successfully install the latest updates for your iPhone. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.